Hello guys, welcome back to the Harsh Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to change your equalizer preset in your ASUS ROG Cetra SpeedNova. At first, have your phone unlocked and enter the application. This application is called the Armory Crate. And once you're in your device, tap on the sound optimization and enable the equalizer right here. To change the equalizer preset, tap default. Here, from default, you can just select every single preset that's here. Classic, default, hip hop, jazz, metal, techno, rock, vocal, or custom one, which is called customize. To select, tap on each and OK. Now you have the equalizer preset changed. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.